morning and welcome to the Baler Bulletin. My name is Ryan Underwood.
And I'm Gabriel Horton.
Alexandre Dumas, also known as Alexandre Dumas Pere, was a French writer. His works have been translated into many languages, and he is one of the most widely read French authors.
He said that friendship consists in forgetting what one gives and remembering what one receives.
Hollister High School is pleased to announce that we will be hosting the SAT, ACT, and PSAT tests during the month of October. All of these tests will be administered during the school day to Hollister High students that sign up and pay for them. The fee for the test is $15 each. Limited spots are available, so you must sign up and pay at the Student Payment Center between August 22nd, 2022 through September 6th, 2022. Do not miss out on this great opportunity.
The SAT test is for current 11th and 12th graders on Wednesday, October 12, 2022. The ACT test is for current 11th and 12th graders on Tuesday, October 18, 2022. The PSAT is for current 10th and 11th graders on Tuesday, October 25, 2022.
Powder Puff football applications are out. They're available on the school website and on the ASB Instagram link tree. There are 4 applications, 1 for players, 1 for cheerleaders, 1 for coaches, and the last one is for cheer coaches. We have to limit each team to 30 players, so get yours in as soon as you can.
Last Generation Dance Team is hosting auditions on Wednesday, August 24th after school from 3:15 to 5:15 p.m. in the dance room. No dance experience is needed. Bring comfy clothes, water, and a positive attitude. Join our family and participate in the homecoming parade, BLTs, and other performances throughout the year. If you have any questions, send a message to our Instagram page at lastgen.sbhs. Hope to see you there, kings and queens.
Interested in robotics or running a business? Then please join the Deep Space Robotics team at lunch today, Wednesday, August 24th, in room 520 for an informational meeting to learn more about the team. No experience is required to join.
Joke break.
You heard the rumor going around about the butter?
Never mind. I shouldn't spread it.
Attention, first period students. Your teachers have been sent a Google form to nominate freshmen for freshman reception royalty. All grades can nominate. The winners will be announced this Friday in the quad at lunch.
There will be a meeting today in room 456 for anyone who would like to wrestle this year. Both boys and girls are needed. Off-season workouts start soon. For more information, go to the meeting.
The pantry will be having a grand reopening this Thursday, August 25th, from 1:45 to 2:45. It is located in the portables behind the VAPA building in room 387. The new pantry hours are Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 3 to 4, and Thursdays from 1:45 to 2:45. Please stop by and check it out.
That's it for today's bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember,
Go Balers!